I'm David Fearhawk. I'm the Vice President of Sales with Cabin Management Solutions. We are a business aviation retrofit cabin management solution company. That's kind of where we started. Our cabin management system is based off of wireless technology as far as the communications protocol. So it allows a lot of flexibility and a lot of time savings in the installation. This year we've come out with some new HD monitors. It's part of our Evolve system, and each of the monitors range from 10.1 inch to 15.6, 19, 22, 24, and we have our 32 inch as well. Each monitor allows for composite, SDI, and HDMI as its input, and they all are compatible with our audio-video system and the switching themselves. The nice thing about it is if you install our monitors and you aren't necessarily doing a CMS upgrade now, they're ready for integration into our cabin management system with our integrated touch controls. So it allows you to add some flexibility later on without having to rip out stuff again. So it gives scalability for later, future upgrades. So if you have a failed monitor, great time to add it. The 32-inch monitor is right here. And it's actually demoing one of our future products, which will be available in Q4 of this coming year. And it's a moving map box that's a direct replacement for a lot of the moving map boxes that are out there currently. Slide in, slide out, put the new box in. It's compatible with the existing composite outputs, but it also gives availability for future capability for 1080 with SDI and HDMI outputs as well. When we first came out, we were certified on the Falcon 900 EX Easy. We have an AML STC that flows, and we'll be adding a different airframes. Presently, we have another 900 EX that's flying around with our system. We have a Falcon 2000 that's in work, and a Lear 60 coming up here shortly this summer, and along with another fairly large aircraft. So, yeah. And there's a couple one-off switches that are installed on a few citations. So, full range, everything from small to large as far as business aviation goes. Our system is designed around additive manufacturing. So we print all of our bezels and brackets and things of that nature with a nylon carbon fiber reinforced material, so it makes it very rigid. This is a printed piece. It's very sturdy. It feels like metal, but at a fraction of the cost, right? A couple dollars of plastic, and then the plating cost on top of it. So it keeps things easy to adapt, easy to adjust. This one you can see was made for a curved panel, so we didn't have to do any modifications to the interior as part of that. So depending on the look that somebody's going after, if you're looking for more of a flush look, that would require some modification. But then over on this side, our adapter brackets slide into the existing hole, and then we make the bezels to fit so it just covers everything up nice and clean. So you can put a lot of different size switches in various size holes.